Welcome to Healthcare Reforms Presentations. Good evening, everyone. My name is Elisa Verdi. I'm a student at Colorado Cuisine University. Today, my presentation summarizes my interview with Tanya Timberlake, the Vice President of Human Resources at local hospital. So, in compliance with HIPAA and the company policies, my interviewee requested to conceal her name and the company she works for. It was briefly discussed on how individual mandate works and who gets the impact. Is there any exception to the mandate? The interview shifted to the role of pay or play employee mandate under the Affordable Care Act. Is there any consequences for the employer not compliance with the mandate? What does the Bible say about the health care insurance? Some of you may have questions like wondering, don't we have faith? Lastly, how the interview responses inform me the learning and the applications in healthcare administration will be discussed here. Let's go over to the first slide, which is how individual mandate works and who gets the impact. So the state of Massachusetts adopted the mandate in 2006, which require all the residents to get insured or pay penalty. The Affordable Care Act implemented the mandate in 2014 to most Americans to get insured. However, the mandate was effectively eliminated in 2019 with zero penalty for uninsured individuals. The states of Massachusetts, New Jersey, California, Rhode Island, and District of Columbia are the 4 states which still impose tax penalties regardless the eliminations of mandate in early 2019. Is there any exemption? The answer is yes. So the individuals with who cannot afford healthcare insurance because of the premium exceeded 8% of the income are exempt. And also individuals who are experiencing hardship, the prisoners, Native Americans who insured under the Indian healthcare, and illegal immigrants are exempt from the mandate. The discussion or the interview shifted to the pay or play rule. So under the mandate, employers with 50 or more full-time employees are required to provide healthcare insurance. The law does not require employers to offer healthcare insurance, but imposes penalties on large employers for not offering healthcare insurance. Is there any consequences? Under the mandate, the employer that does not offer insurance coverage could be subject to penalty tax, which is also called pay or play rules. Now, what does the Bible say about healthcare insurance? Remember the story of Noah? When he built the ark, the land was completely dry with no single drop of rain. And the book of Hebrews stated that Noah's action is demonstrated his faith because he prepared to save his family. The same way applies to healthcare insurance. When we get healthcare insurance for our family, we protect our family from sickness that we might encounter. In addition, we honor God through the authorities who mandate the laws. We also demonstrate walking by faith because faith is active and action-based and always found side by side with wisdom as demonstrated in Noah's story. So how my interviewee's responses inform me the learning and the applications in healthcare administration. So the key issue facing the healthcare manager is offering affordable healthcare insurance despite the cost. Part of the rising cost varies from pharmacy costs, insurance premiums, and healthcare spending. By learning pitfalls and solid understanding of healthcare policy could bring awareness of the consequences that might arise in the future. Thank you for viewing my presentations and hope everybody have a wonderful